There are two types. One, identity. The second one is membership. We'll talk about identity. Is and is not are used to check if two values are located on the same part of the memory. That means two variables that are equal does not imply that they are identical. So we'll see some information. Operator meaning example is true if the operands are identical. That means it refers to the same object. Then is not true if the operands are not refer to the same object. Here is true, here is not true. Some examples: a1 is equal to 15, b1 is equal to 15, a2, b2. Then we'll also see a3, b3. So first one, a1 15, b1 15. These two are variables. a2, b2 strings. These are list. Out of all, suppose if you wanted to see a1 is not b1. Here what happens? a1 value is 15, b1 value is 15. a1 is not b1. So both variables a1, b1 points to same location, same object. So here the statement is a1 is not b1. This is false, because when the a1 and b1 points to the same location, same object that is holding value 15, so both are same. Here statement is a1 is not b1, so that's why it is false. Print a2 is b2. Here same thing, a2 and b2, both the variables pointing to the same object. Here a2 is b2, that's why it is true. Print a3 is b3. Here a3, b3, these are lists. They are equal. They are having equal values. 10, a3 is having 10, 20, 30. b3 also having 10, 20, 30. They are equal but not identical. Why? Because they are from different memory locations. So interpreter locates them separately in memory, although they are equal. That's the reason a3 is b3, a3 is b3. That is false, because even though the values are same, they are from different memory locations. So these are this particular information is we discussed for identity, and we'll talk about membership operators. So here in and not in are the membership operators. These are used to test whether a value or variable is found in a sequence. Example where will found, let us say in strings, list, tuple, dictionary, and set. In a dictionary, we can only test the presence of key. We can only test presence of the key, not the value. Here also operator meaning example. First one is in true if value by variable is found in the sequence. Next one, not in true value by variable is not found in the sequence. Example, a equal to hello world, b equal to y, print h in a. So what it is saying, that print statement h is present in a, it is there, so it is true. Next, print 1 in b. This is also true, because 1 in b1 is available. Print x in b. Here false, because x is a value. In a dictionary we can only test the presence of the key, we cannot test value, so that's the reason it is a false. So that's all for today class. We discussed about identity operator and membership operator.